Good morning, students. In previous video, we have started preparations of alkyl halides, and I already told for the preparation of alkyl halides there are three methods are there: by using alcohols, second by using halogen exchange method, and third one by using hydrocarbons we can prepare alkyl halide. In previous video we have taken preparations of alkyl halide using alcohols. In this video I'll take the preparations of alkyl halide by using halogen exchange method. Halogen exchange method. Halogen exchange method. As the name itself indicates, halogen exchange. Exchange means fluorine to chlorine or chlorine to fluorine, like that. That's the exchange. So halogen exchange method. In halogen exchange method, there are two important methods are there. So first one, that is Finkelstein reaction. Finkelstein reaction. So very important reaction, named reaction. Most of the time in question paper they have asked question based on the Finkelstein reaction, the named reaction. What is the statement of Finkelstein reaction then? When alkyl chlorides or alkyl bromides, when alkyl chlorides or alkyl bromides are heated with sodium iodide, in presence of dry acetone, to form alkyl iodides, This is the statement of Finkelstein reaction. So, when alkyl chlorides or alkyl bromides are heated with sodium iodide in presence of dry acetone to form alkyl iodide. See how to write the general representation of this reaction. Alkyl chloride, that is Rx. In place of X, if you put Cl, it will become alkyl chloride. In place of X, if you put Br, then it will become alkyl bromide. When alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide are heated with sodium iodide, here sodium iodide, Na means sodium iodide, in presence of dry acetone, to form alkyl iodide. See, alkyl iodide, R means alkyl, R, iodide, I. So this is your alkyl iodide and remaining is NaX. So this is what the general representation of Finkelstein reaction. You take one example, CH3Cl, this is alkyl chloride, that is methyl chloride. CH3Cl means methyl chloride. When it is heated with sodium iodide in presence of dry acetone, to form alkyl iodide, that is CH3I. This means it is a methyl iodide, that is alkyl iodide, plus NaCl. And if you take alkyl bromide here, change it, CH3Br, alkyl bromide, that is methyl bromide. When it is heated with sodium iodide in presence of dry acetone to form alkyl iodide, CH3I, again CH3I, alkyl iodide plus NaBr. So methyl iodide. When alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide heated with sodium iodide in presence of dry acetone to form alkyl iodide, this reaction is called as Finkelstein reaction. Here halogen exchange means it is already halogen is there and it is also halogen. So this halogen will comes in the place of X and this X will comes out in the form of the sodium halide. This is what halogen exchange method. That is why it is called as a halogen exchange method. So by using halogen exchange method, that is by Finkelstein reaction, we can prepare alkyl halide, particularly alkyl iodides. So this is in halogen exchange method. This is the first method one. We'll move to second method. One more method is there. That is Schwarz reaction. In halogen exchange method, Schwarz reaction. Schwarz reaction. It is also important reaction, named reaction. Most of the time the questions from Schwarz section they have asked it. When alkyl chlorides or alkyl bromides, alkyl chlorides or alkyl bromides are heated with metallic fluorides such as silver fluoride, mercuric fluoride, cobalt fluoride, like that, to form alkyl fluorides. This is the statement. I'll repeat the statement. When alkyl chlorides or alkyl bromides are heated with metallic fluorides. Metallic fluorides means such as silver fluoride, mercury fluoride, cobalt fluoride, like that, to form an alkyl fluorides. In case of Finkelstein reaction, we have got alkyl iodides, and in this reaction we have got alkyl fluorides. So write the general representation of reaction. So as usual, alkyl chlorides and alkyl bromides, that is RX. Then they are heated with metallic fluorides. So metallic fluorides, you take any one example, either AgF or HgF2. You take any one. I'll take first one, AgX. You heat it, we get RX. RX, there is alkyl halide plus, here you take AgF, and here it is a RX, it is alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide. When it is heated with silver fluoride, we get alkyl RF plus, this is called as alkyl fluoride plus AgX. This is general representation. You write on example, write CH3Cl plus AgF to form CH3F, that is methyl fluoride, CH3F plus AgCl. If you take methyl bromide, means alkyl chloride or alkyl brine, plus AgF. There is a formation of CH3F again plus AgBr. So methyl fluoride is the alkyl fluoride, and this is what the Schwarz reaction. So these are the two important methods for the preparation of alkyl halides by halogen exchange method, Finkelstein reaction and Schwarz reaction. Okay, thank you.